Yes.
Sir, I have doubt in question number 3.
Question number 3, right? So
Exercise 5.3.
5 point. Because Nabir is not here, so we can take this question. It's already 10 minutes. Where is so 5.3, question number 3.
Fifth one, sir.
Fifth. Yeah. So all these word problems, so you have to write whatever the information which is right. So in
Yes, sir.
all
Question
these,
number 3, fifth one.
oh, question number 3 and fifth one.
Yes, sir.
So this one, D is given, right? And S9 is given. Right? S9 is given, which means that this is N, right?
Yes, sir.
So, and then what else? Find A and yeah, so we have to find A and we have to also find A9. Okay, Abir microphone is S9. So S9 would be how much? And how many formulas for Sn do we have? We have generally two. One is this one. And the other one is this one, right? So we can use to find out A, we can, and D is given, right? In this one, D is not there. So we can use this one, right? S9 would be 9 by 2 and 2A plus N is how much? 9, right? So 9 minus 1 and D we want to find out, right? Amira? Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
So S9 is given 75 and this is 9 by 2 and 2A plus 8 and D, right? Or A is also given, right? Oh, A is not given. D is given. So 8 into 5. Okay. And yeah, so we have to multiply. This is 75 and this will go in this side, right? This is 75 by 1. So this will go in here and this 9 will go in the denominator, right? So this will come. And this is 2A plus 40. So this is how much? So this is 3 threes are 9 and this is 3 twos are and 5. So this is 50 by 3 and this is 2A plus 40. So this is coming in the fraction. Okay. So 50 by 3 minus 40 and that is 2A. So what was the problem in this question? What was the doubt?
Sir, I'm getting A as 15.25.
15.25. A would be negative, right? Yeah, so A is negative. This is 35 by 3, which is nearly equal to minus 12. So did I do something? Long is 75, 9 by 2a plus 8 into t is 5, right? So 40, 2a, this goes here, 75 into 2, 9 comes in the denominator. So this is 3 and this is 25. So 50 by 3 minus 40, and then this is 120 by 3 and this is 70. So this would be minus 35. Yes, so this would be the answer. How did you get uh, which part? Can you see your calculation? Which part did you get?
Sir, here I 9 by 2, I did not I just divided it and I got 4.5, and then I minus it was 75 minus 4.5, and then I don't know how did I got 15.75.
Yeah, so you divided which one?
9 by 2.
9 by 2. Yeah, so if you divide 9 by 2, then this would be 4.5. And then you multiplied this with these numbers, right? Okay, so let us see that. This is
No, sir, the
75.
my mistake was here was 4.5 would be like it was in multiplication with 2a plus 40. But when I bought it near the 75, then I did minus. It would be division.
Yeah, yeah. So please be careful with those minor mistakes. Yes. Hello, Abir. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam, sir.
So yeah, we are just talking about Amira's doubts, and then today we will start the 11th chapter, because 11th chapter has been finished in Tejasvi and Amira. So in their school, this chapter has been finished. So we'll start.
Yes, sir, in my school as well. We
Your
have
school also.
completed the maths portions and we have already started revision.
Yeah, let us also first complete those chapters and then. Yes. And do you have any other doubt, Amira?
Sir, and the sixth one.
In the fifth,
Sir, sixth.
sixth, or the same question? This one.
Yes, sir.
So this
Sir,
one,
I'm getting some quadratic equation.
yeah. So why can't you get? Yes, that is totally fine. You can get a quadratic equation in this AP, right? So that is totally fine, which means that you have to solve the quadratic equation, right? So whenever remember that whenever you are finding n from the sum to n terms, then you will get a quadratic equation. So yeah, that is okay. So sixth one, A is 2 and D is 8 and Sn is 90. And we have to find out n and we have to find out a. So that is totally fine that you got the quadratic equation. So Sn is n by 2 and 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn is 90 and this is n by 2, 2a plus a, right? So let us put the values. So 2 into 2 plus n minus 1, and this is 8. So this is n by 2, 4 plus 8n minus of 8. And then we can take this 2 in this side. Right, so this is 180 and this is n and 8n minus 4, because 4 minus 8, 4 minus 8 is minus 4, right? So that is why 8n minus 4. So this is 8n square minus 4n minus 180, that is equal to 0. So yes, you will get the quadratic equation. And you can take 4 common. right? In this equation, you can take 4 common, then this would be simplified. So if we take 4 common in this equation, so this would be 2n square minus n and minus how much this would be. So 4 fours are and 5. So, and then we can take this 4 in the right hand side. So that would be 2n square minus n minus 45 equal to 0 by 4. 0 by 4 is how much, Amida?
0.
Yes, 0. So this is 0. Right, so you have this is the quadratic equation that you get. So did you get this equation?
No, sir, I got till 8n square minus 4n minus 180. And then I got
Yeah.
confused.
Yeah. So yeah, then you have to take the factors of 90, right? And yeah, so then you'll have to just use this. Whatever factorization method, whatever method you are, oh, how much is this?
So n is 5.
N is 5, yes. N is, oh, you already calculated the N. So
Yes, sir.
yes, yes, Abir speed is same, right? So we have, yeah, so the factors would be how much? This is 9 and this is 10. So 10 and 9, right? So this, and as Abir is saying, so this is 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45. So we can take 2n common, n minus 5, and 9 common, n minus 5. N minus 5 and 2n plus 9. So n is 5 and n is minus 9 by 2. So this is not possible. So as the B is saying, n is 5. So don't, yeah. So if you get the quadratic equation, just so that is totally fine. That is correct. Okay, Mira.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
and this third question is very important. So all the rest of the question 4, 5, all the rest ones. So all those are dependent upon this third one, right? If we have solved these all the 10 question of third part, then all the rest ones are the same one, or but they are written in words, right? Only the difference is that they are written in words, and in the third question they are written in the whatever information about A, and I. Yes, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So, do you have any other question?
No, sir.
Yeah, please practice all these word problems, right?
Yes, sir, I'm
And
practicing.
yeah, good. So, in the next Sunday or the coming Sunday, which Sunday?
Sir, next Sunday.
30th, 30th of October.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes. So start. You have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yeah. So please complete this portion, and whenever you have some doubt, please ask. And this one is important one. So this one is also. Okay, so now we will start this area related to service. Right. Okay, so what are the preliminary information we will need? So first is that we have a circle. We have this circle, and it has a center, and if we join one point at the circumference of the circle from the center, so that is radius, and if some chord is passing through the center, then that chord is diameter, And the first relation that we have is this diameter. This is equal to 2 into radius. So D is 1. This is the first relation that we have. Second relation is the perimeter of this circle. So what is the total length of this circle, right? Okay. So perimeter or circumference of a circle. This is 2 pi. Right? This total length is 2 pi. And then the third one, which is the area of the circle. So area of the circle is how much? This total area, right? That is pi r square. So these are the important information of circle, right? And then we will also need this triangle part, right? So in the triangle, we will need the area of triangle. So in how many ways we can calculate the area of triangle? First one is the most general. So if we have this base, right, and then we have some altitude, or we can say height. So then area of the triangle is the area of triangle is half base into height. This is the first one. Second one is that when we have the scalene triangle, or let's say we are given the sides, or we are given the perimeter, right? So let's say A, B, C. So then from Heron's formula, area of a triangle is S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. And where S is the semi-perimeter. So this is perimeter, semi is half. And then the third one. So let's say you are given a triangle whose adjacent side you. So let's say this is A, this is B. And then you know the angle between the adjacent sides, right? So this is, let's say, theta. Then you cannot use this one, and then you cannot use the previous one, right? So then how do you calculate? What is coordinates? Find it. One moment, guys. So you know the angle between this adjacent sides. So area of triangle would be, and now you guys know trigonometry, right? You guys know trigonometry, then this is half and A into B and sine of theta. Okay, so these are the two sides and the angle between them. So you can calculate here. Try. And the last one is the special case. So special case is what? The equilateral triangle. Okay, so this question I will ask. So let's say that the sides are given. right? This is A, this is A, this is A. This angle is 60 degrees. So when you use this formula, then what would be the area of triangle? Can you guys calculate? Please calculate and tell me what are you getting. So did you guys understand the question? Yes, guys. Hello, am I audible, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So these two sides are given A, and the angle between them is 60 degrees. So use this one to find out what would be the area. Please do that and tell me what are you guys getting.
√3/4 into a square.
Yes, root 3 by 4 a square. So Abir is getting root 3 by 4 a square
Same, sir.
and same.
Same, sir.
Yeah, so area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square. So this is the area. So you guys have, right? So area of this is a special case that area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square, right? So these are the four things that in this way we can find out the area of triangle. This we will need in the area of area related to circle. That is why we are. And the third property that we should remember is that if we have a circle and then let's say this is the center and this is the diameter, and we are connecting a point on this circle. So this angle would be, how much would be this angle, guys?
90.
90, right? So because this is 180, so this would be 90. Similarly, this one, so this one would also be 90. Okay. So, and this is due to the property that this is due to the property that whatever the chord makes the angle at the center. So let's say this is the chord A and this is making an angle, this one at the center and a point on the circle. So this would be double of this one. So using this property, this is fine. And so this property we should. Okay, so these are the three things that we should remember in area related to circles. And now let us talk about that. What kinds of area or length do we have, right? Okay, so the first one is the arc length. So what is an arc length? If we have a circle and we take 2 points on this circle. So this will divide this circle in two lengths. One would be this length and the other one is this length. So this one. Okay, so one is this length, one is this length, and the other one is this. So this is called the major arc, and this is called the minor. So how do you calculate the length of the minor arc and major arc? So these 2 points will subtend some angle on the center, right? So let's say this is theta, and this is so total is 360. So if this is theta, so this would be 360 minus theta. So then the arc length, and we are talking about the minor arc. So this is theta by 360, and we are talking about the length. So then we'll write the circumference. Okay, so this is a minor arc, and then you have the major arc. So major is 360 minus theta divided by 360 into 5. So these are the two lengths. Okay. And now we can talk about the areas. Area. Right. And this is called a sector. So again, we have a circle, and then we have again 2 points on the circle, and again this will divide the whole circle in 2 parts. So one would be this part, and the other is this part. So this part is called the minor sector, and this is the major sector. Whenever we are talking about the sector, which means that we are talking about the area, right? And this is the angle. So this is the minor sector, and then we have this one, which is the major sector, right? So area of, now we are talking about areas. Area of sector, and that is minor. This would be theta by 360, and we are talking about area. So pi r square. And then similarly, area of sector and major. So this is 360 minus theta divided by 360, and then pi r square. So these are the two sectors, right? And then in the last, we have segments of a circle. So let's say again we take a circle, and we again take 2 points, right? And this time we make a chord, right? So we join this chord. So this chord will divide this circle. So let me take a larger. So whatever. We can take also this point, whatever point we can choose. This part is dividing this circle again in two parts. So one is this one, and then the other one is this. Okay, so how do we calculate? So this is again called the minor, and this is the major. Okay. And let's say this is the minor one. The whole is, this is the whole sector, right? This one is the whole sector, right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Right. And then what we have to find this area. So what we do is that in whole sector, from the whole sector, we just subtract this portion. If we subtract this portion, then this would be remaining, right? Only this part would be remaining. So area of segment. And that is the minor one. So that is area of sector, and let me write it as minus the triangle. This is the area of segment, and area of segment major one. So all of you guys are silent, so I will ask you guys. Okay, so what would be the area of segment, major segment? Yes, Tejasvi, and you guys tell. What would be the area of major segment? Yes, yes. Let us start with you, Tejasvi. What do you think? Yes, hello, Tejasvi. Can you hear?
Yes, sir.
So what would be the area of segment, major segment? Remember, you have calculated this portion. So what would be the area of major segment? This, what is this color? I don't know, light gray color. Mix up of something. So what would be this area? Tejasvi? Hmm. Any guesses? Any guesses
Can I
that
have?
yeah, so your number will come. Okay, so I can give you, you can calculate in two ways, right? So let's say that I make this diagram, or let me not, why did I make this part? Yes. Okay, so we can calculate the area in two ways, right? That is the hint. Or if I, let's say that I give you the hint that you know this area. You know this area, so that is one. And this is your major segment. And you want to calculate this area, total area want to calculate. Okay, so I am giving you two hints. One is that this minor segment you know, that is one hint. The second hint is that the major sector you know. So now Tejasvi, can you do you have any answer? So you are thinking. So let me just draw this one, and this is a bulb, right? This is a bulb, and you are thinking. Okay, Amira, what is your yes, Amira? You have any
Sector into major segment
circle?
minus
Circle, yes, circle. Yes, what did you say, Amira? Circle.
major sector into minus the triangle.
Major sector minus triangle. This you are saying. So this is the major sector, right? This whole area is major sector. And how can you? So you want to remove some triangle from where? From here. From where you want to remove the triangle part?
And also a major segment.
This is yes, yes, nearly there. So major sector. And what should you do that you get this area as well? That is your whole segment, right? So major sector, and then you think in the meanwhile the question goes to a base. Yes, a base.
So this is segment, right?
Yeah, the whole is segment. Whole portion is segment. This part is major sector, right? This part is major sector, right? The whole portion is segment. Yes.
So we can we can do like 360.
No, no, just forget about 360. You tell me in the sector, circle, triangle. 360 we can have that, right? Yes, Abir.
Sir, we can have area of major sector plus the area of the triangle.
Major sector plus triangle. So this is the major sector, right? And then you add this portion as well. So then you'll get the whole portion, right? So major sector plus triangle. This is one method. And the second method is that you have this minor segment. And then the whole is circle. So you just
Area of circle minus the area of the minor sector. Yes.
yes. So this would be the yes, absolutely. Now you guys are telling it. Yeah, so good. And circle minus minor segment. This is the first, or you can just calculate the major sector plus the triangle. Any method you want. So in this chapter, we have to just be careful, or we have to just figure out that which portion we will remove, which portion we have to add. So this is the only thing that we have to keep in mind, right? Just make the diagram, just closely think about the diagram, and then just figure out that which portion we have to remove and which portion we have to add, right? So that is the crucial thing in this chapter. So you guys please note everything down, and then we'll start the chapter. Oh, so you sent me your calculation. Hmm. quadratic equation and then you can't take common. So solve the quadratic. Yes, whenever you guys want me to scroll down, then please,
Noted, sir.
look at this part. So then triangle, right? I know only three ways to calculate the area of triangle. Do you have any other? Do you have any other method to calculate the area of triangle? Zeros from triangle to then this general. So I guess, you guys will learn about the vectors, then yeah, but you can also calculate the area. But now I guess.
Noted, sir.
Noted. Okay, then let's go down this part.
Sir, for the third formula where it's half into A into B into sine theta, do the sides have to be equal?
No, no, no. So this can be, so that is why I have written A and B. These are two different sides, right? So let's say you have this 5 and 8, and then you have this angle which is 30. Then you can calculate, right? So A, B, because these can be different. But in this case, those are same. So in the case of equilateral triangle, those are, that is why guys wrote 8, right?
Got it, sir.
Okay. Okay, then write down. Everyone noted up to this point, right? Yes, guys, noted up to this point.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then please down this point. Yes, whenever you guys have
So
noticed,
this is 2 theta
this is what?
and
Yeah,
the 2 theta. Right?
yeah, so this is theta and this is 2 theta. Whatever, let's say this is 40, then this would be 80. So in that theta is angle, then this would be, this is x, so this is 2x. So just writing in a way that this would be double, right?
Correct, sir.
Whenever we are talking about arc, then we are talking about depth. Whenever we are talking about sector, then we are talking about E.
Correct, sir. Correct, sir.
Hmm? Politic, what you guys?
So in this area of segment measure, these are 2 ways to calculate, right?
Yes, area of major segment, yes.
Circle
So
minus segment or major sector plus triangle, right?
yeah, so this is circle minus minor segment and or major sector plus triangle. Yes. This chapter will not take that much time, right? Only one exercise is there, so this will be completed very quickly. So noted everyone.
Yes, sir. Alhamdulillah, noted.
Yes, sir.
Get to at least one question. The very difficult question. And again, you guys have a class assessment today. So please log into the Learnivio account, and there you will find an activity. So the first question, find the area. So unless stated otherwise, we only have to use pi equal to 22 by 7, right? So unless it is stated that use pi equal to 3.14, so in that case we use pi value. Other than that, we always use pi equals to 22 by 7.
Sir, is this the first exercise?
Yeah, so this is the first exercise, first and last. This is the,
Oh, okay.
so find the area of a sector. So find the area of the sector whose angle is 60. So theta is given, and radius. This radius is 6 centimeters. So these two lengths are 6 centimeters, right? And you guys already know that area would be theta by 360 and pi r square. So 60 by 360 and 22 by 7 and 6 into 6. So 0, 6, and this is 6. So 12, 13 by 7. So this is okay, very difficult question. So quickly note it down and then we'll stop. And then you guys please log into your Learnivio account and then please take that activity. So you guys can leave, but please take that test. Okay.
Noted, sir.
Noted. Good. So,
Done, sir.
yes, then see you guys on Sunday. Oh, we don't have any class in between. So, Amira, if you face any problem, any doubt, you can just tell me, right? Then we
Yes,
can
sir.
discuss. Yeah, so all the best, Amira, and see you all of you guys on Sunday. Okay.
Yes, sir. Inshallah. Jazakallah
Allah
khair,
Hafiz,
sir.
sir.
Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
guys. Bye. Bye, guys.
Assalamu
Bye.
alaikum, sir.
Look, Amira.
Walaikum salam. Walaikum salam. Bye, guys.